Kuringana na munini wa kirani wa igoti Mundurume ucio na uria wikaine ta Joseph Njoroge Mugai akinyirio igoti-ini na ihetia ria kuraga Faustine Mwadime hwai wa ira ari thibitari-ini ya Chiromo Medical Center no ndanakorwo agitika thitango iyo thutha wake kwira igoti-ini murwaru. Kuringana na riboti kuma kwi munini wa kirani wa igoti Mwikuirwo ucio ararigitirwo njera-ini industry iria kuria agakorwo agikinywo igoti-ini kiumia twerekeire. Kumana na njuragano iyo kiama kia Manathi guku bururi-ini ni gukomithitie giko kiu na njira nene makiria ni gukorwo mutabania wa giko kiu na marua ma gukorwo na mucinga thengia gukorwo na thina wa meciria. Kuringana na mwikirigiti wa kiama kia Manathi Alfredo Bengo, Manathi othe ni mehitite gwatabania mururungano muthenya wa Jumathatu niguo guthingiriria kuhingwo gwa thibitari ya Chiromo Medical and Rehabilitation Center kuria giko kiu kiratabanirio wona thirikari yaga kumaigua.
We are going to sue Chiromo Hospital for institutional negligence. You cannot allow a patient to be admitted with a gun. And a mentally unstable patient. That gun is even harmful to himself as a patient. What kind of nonsense is that? Is that an hospital or an army barrack?
Obuya oigete giko kiu ni kironania uhuthiri moru wa matharaita na ninge kuonania wagi wa uigiriki wa urugamiriri wa thibitari iyo.
On Monday, if the hospital is not closed, we will mobilize nurses from all the country to go and close it ourselves. Sawa sawa. Monday, we are going to have the mother of all demos if that hospital is not closed.
Mahianite murugamo ucio riri mwiri wa Mwadime ukorirwo ugikwo uthuthuria muthenya wa umuthi thibitari-ini ya Chiromo mwendwa wake agitaririo ria aramukirire riboti iyo.
He started telling me, you know, there was an accident at Faustine's place of work. Faustine had an accident, but he's unconscious. We've taken him to Nairobi hospital. So I asked them what happened to him. They told me just an accident. What kind of an accident? They were not coming clear. So another colleague took from there. Then he told me, you know, Doreen, Faustine was admitting a patient, and in the process of admitting, he realized the patient was armed.
Mwadime akoretwo akiruta wira thibitari-ini yo kuma mwaka-ini wa 2014.